The 2015 NBAA show in Las Vegas is the first chance most people have had to see Gulfstream's new G500 large cabin business jet. A flight test version of the aircraft arrived at Henderson Executive Airport after crossing the U.S. from the manufacturer's headquarters in Savannah, Georgia. Gulfstream says it is making good progress in the flight testing program that should lead to certification in 2017.
So the flight test program is progressing extremely well. All of the work that we've done in our test labs with our system integration branch, our integration test facility, our Iron Bird, where we've accomplished over 41,000 hours of integration, is paying off. The aircraft is actually coming back from its flights with zero maintenance issues. It's actually turning 2 sorties a day, where we'll actually have a crew prepare the aircraft in the morning, come back, hot fuel the aircraft, and then return it to flight in the afternoon, and is absolutely performing much, much better than any program that I have ever been involved in. It's just extremely well. It's very complimentary.
The aircraft has already achieved speeds of Mach 0.99 and has flown at 50,000 feet. 2 more test aircraft are now being built. Gulfstream test pilots are at the show and provided a detailed account of how the new jet flies.
The sticks are actually electronically linked. You move one and the other one simply follows it via electronic signals. So far what we've seen with the test pilots that even didn't have any side stick experience before, it takes them a handful of seconds before they're completely adapted to it. What the side sticks bring to us in the flight deck is the advantages of the mechanical linkage of a column and wheel, where you had that nonverbal communication between the 2 pilots of what the pilot flying was doing. And that prevents all the confusion that you've seen over the years in passive side sticks, while at the same time it offers the advantage of a smaller, lighter unit for each pilot, opens up the space to give them some workspace in front of it. In the unlikely event that maintenance needs to go do some action, it's a single box on each side of the cockpit rather than a whole bunch of wires and weight underneath the floor, as you've seen conventionally with columns and wheels. If the electronic signals were to fail, you have dual redundant electrical power, dual redundant control, dual redundant motors, so it takes a total of 4 failures, after which each side stick is passive. One of the last advantages, in addition to the linking, is we can tune the handling qualities of the airplane through the side sticks by adjusting the forces, adjusting the amount of displacement to get the airplane to fly exactly the way pilots all desire it to fly at any point in the altitude or airspeed regime.